So yeah, today we are going to solve the Dog.htb solution. So this is one of the most easiest hack the box. So right now what I actually done is I just connected to a VPN. So I'm not going to cover that part. So let's scan the first sudo nmap dash sc dash sv. What's the IP address? Okay, let's copy this one. Control Shift V. So once the scan is done, so yeah, let's wait for the scan patiently. Okay, okay. Right now the scan has been done. Here SSH port has been open, HTTP port has been open. So what I actually saw was okay, this is fine. What I interestingly found was git repository is being found, which means it has been a so we have a lottery to use. I mean, we can actually access the database directly. That's what it generally means. So there is a famous tool known as GitHub. You can actually download it from GitHub. So I already have it. So where it is? Yeah, GitHub cd git here you need to use a virtual environment and you need to run this command. So I can actually show you the command what I should done. So this is what I should done. Python git number py. This one. Sorry, actually not this one. Yeah, yeah. This is actually exit command. First you need to do this one. What it actually does is let me show you what it actually does is it actually it actually uh, it actually create a virtual environment for you. See, that's a virtual environment for you. So, and then what I actually did was I just did this command. So basically, I got this command from Chat GPT. So I think I still have the chat. I think I still have the chat. Pass strength evaluation. Uh, mhm. Okay, I think I got it from got it from Cloud. So yeah. What I did was I just did a dash h. I don't know how to use it. So here it gave me a command. The, instead of output directory, I just put everything in the documents file. So once after documents file, I've already worked in a Git template before. So I have a cheat sheet. So what I basically did was uh, yeah, what I should basically did was I ran this command to know the passwords which has been inside this git repo. So not this one. Yeah, cd dot. Since I have put everything in the documents file, so not this one. Let's see do. Um, so I'm just copy paste the command. So here you got two parser and PAS. The funny thing is this both is actually completely not useful in while hacking this one. So I just realized this one kind of later. So what I did was I just change it to user. So you got email user, okay. And what I another did was name. So you got username as backdrop. So this will be kind of useful, but actually this is not useful. Yeah. So can I should try email or something? Yeah, let me check the code. I never checked this one. So you never got it. So instead of finding email like that, you can actually find an email like this one. So let me copy paste. I mean, here you got an email. Okay, here you got two three email I think. Okay. So Tiffany at HTTP, this will be kind of useful. So okay, what I actually did was, I mean, what my next step was, sudo nano etc. So here I basically added the IP address of the dog.htb, which I copied from here. So after that, dog.htb is a domain name. Once you did this, you could be able to access this from Firefox. So um, wait a minute, let me copy this IP address. So yeah, so this is a web page. So generally, I will be using the fuzzing stats. So I really don't want to waste time on that. So since we already know this one is already vulnerable to Git, so we can actually access. I mean, we can actually hack this one kind of easily. So I just browse through this website. Yeah, look into the website. Okay, backdrop CMS. This is some kind of service which is been running inside this one. So yeah, okay, let's come back. Mm, okay, let's go to cheat sheet back. Yeah, after this will be even more helpful. So what it basically does is uh, just to find some kind of a useful path. So once I copy paste, okay, what I did something wrong. Okay, I think I know what I did wrong. Oh, yeah, I didn't copy paste this perfectly. Mm. So so this one is kind of too huge, right? So what I actually did was I just basically copied everything. I went to ChatGPT this time. So this was the most fun part here. So let me. I think this one is actually, yeah. No, not this one. Not this one. I'll be back. No, no, not this one either. Okay, hardcoded credential. Okay, it should be this one. Yeah. Okay, this is the part actually which I entirely copied and I paste it. I just asked the ChatGPT, is there any good info here? Okay, what it said was, yeah, there is something kind of interesting. So I got this one. So here, this is the password. It shows is the password. If I were you who are actually watching the video, I would have saved this password somewhere because this password is being repeatedly used. Yes. Okay, let me. What can I do? Send Notepad, Control N. Just save for namesake. Okay, let it be here. So after that, what I saw here, the ChatGPT told me that yeah, this one was high severity. So what I thought was this one is actually vulnerable to some kind of SQL database. I mean, I can actually access the SQL database. I mean, previously while solving some kind of hacker box, I mean, other boxes, I can generally access this one. So after that, I tried everything from ChatGPT basically because nothing worked. So unfortunately, this one doesn't work. You can't actually access the database. So probably I would have wasted probably 20 to 30 minutes here. So yeah, one thing for sure is you can actually hack the system through here. So this one is clear. So what I'm going to do is go. Sorry, where's this one? Yeah. Mm, okay, I'm already logged in. Okay, that's interesting. So generally, if you guys are you using for first time, you won't be logged in kind of easily. So yeah, here there are username and password, right? So for the username, yeah, if I told you earlier, let me show you the page. This one. Okay, this is clearly time waste. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to run the command again. Okay, clearly I can run it for some reason. So yeah, what I'm going to do is just copy and paste. So where was it basically? Hmm. So for the password, the password won't be useful, but for the email ID, this one was kind of useful. Let me show you. So when I did the sorry when I did the user instead of password. Okay. So uh, here in username my email address, what I did was I just put backdrop and brute force everything manually, bars password and the thing which I actually stored in the notepad. This didn't work. So what I did was I went for Tiffany at Dog.htb. So okay, Control Shift C. So for the password thing, just copy this one which I found through ChatGPT. So this should work. And don't save it. So here actually you can actually play around. Actually, there are some useful content here. So let's say first you are Tiffany and you are an administrator. Okay, looks like everybody is an administrator. Mm. Actually, you can actually use some kind of the SSH port was open if yeah, the SSH port was open, so you can actually do SSH at Tiffany or something. Yeah, Tiffany at Dog.htb. So with the help of this, and you can actually throw the password here. But I didn't do it. I didn't even try it. Probably it won't work. The reason is if you guys are already sounding so many HTTPs, so generally the password will be in some kind of hash value, right? So what that was the password is so simple. So I didn't even go and test the SSH, but you can do it. So okay, here what I did was I went for status report. Uh, Here I found backdrop CMS 1.227.1. So okay, if you actually see this one, if you see this one, powered by backdrop CMS. So this is a version which is actually running behind the website. So what I did was went to Google here, Google backdrop CSS expert RC. So I basically went for everything. So here I got the code. Okay, let me close this one. Yeah, here I got the code. What I did was I just copy the entire thing and I asked ChatGPT. So yeah, Papa said. So what also actually you really don't need to change the code, but if you actually run the code, uh, n- the output you'll be getting is probably in zip file. So but the problem is, let me show you what type of problem you'll be facing. Um, okay, let me mm, okay, you will be getting a shell.zip file, especially when you run the command. So I will tell you what type of command you'll be running. No, not this one. Okay, what I do is I basically copy and paste this one, and I told ChatGPT that how to use the code. I found an exploit for backdrop CMS 1.7.1. So it gave some disclaimer or something. So what it told me was Python 3 is installed. Test running backdrop CMS. Okay. Uh, yeah, it basically told me what the exploit does, and told me this is how actually to run the experiment. Okay, this is kind of simpler. So what you'll be doing here is, let me copy. Uh, when you run for the first time, you will be getting a file as sheltered zip file. But the problem is you can actually upload the sheltered zip file in this uh, in this web browser. So what I basically did was, since you can't actually upload this one, but this web browser actually allowed me to upload a tar.gz file. So uh, wait a minute. Yeah. Okay. If you see this code closely, first this is in Python code. Secondly, whenever you write a def function with colon, everything should be intended to the right side, and there's a huge indentation error because everything was written as a simple straight line. So I asked the ChatGPT to write the code with the proper indentation, and I ran the code. So the specific shelled zip file could not be uploaded. Only the files with the following extensions are allowed: tar, gs, tar, gs. You guys can actually upload it. So probably you'll also be getting the same error. So unable to download the project into the temporary directory. So what it did was, he basically rewrite the code to upload. I mean, when you execute the code, you will be getting the shell.zip, right? So now you will be getting the shell.tar.gz. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna re- remove this one, rm shell.zip. So uh, now you are not having, right? So what I'm going to do is, okay, Python 3. I save this code as backdrop as py backdrop. So now you need to copy the URL. So by the way, please don't copy and paste from this one. You will be asking the ChatGPT to do some stuff. That's what I basically did. So if you guys can, okay, I will send you the code in some kind of the comments or something. I, I will send you the code in comments, so don't worry. So what I did was, I just went to, yeah, remote code execution dot.js. So now it basically says a unrun module insert. So if you do this, probably you will be getting a bug. I Because I got this one for the first time. Yeah, not fun. So you can't give up like this. So problem is admin modules installed. If you actually remember this one thing closely, the Tiffany, the user itself is admin. So I'm already logged in here, right? So what I basically did was, let me copy the modules and install alone. Main Control Shift C. So here you want to some kind of page. So probably you need to find a way to install. Sorry, not this one. Install this .js file. So manual installation. Install means upload the .js file. So I went here, browse. So here what I did was, I just opened it. Once I installed it, so I was redirected to some kind of page. Yeah. After installation, your shell will be at this location. Okay, let's copy and paste it. I mean, yeah. So here you can actually type who am I, www data. Okay. PWD. Okay. We need to go back cd dot cd. Okay, pwd again. Okay, I couldn't go back to one directory. Okay, so since I couldn't go back to one directory, what I basically asked the ChatGPT was, uh, give me a code to get a reverse shell. So that makes sense, right? So no net can need not this one, not this one, probably this one or something. Reverse shell command, yeah, this one. So there are two question mark here. Remove this one. So here this is my IP address for of my machine. So let's say go for IPA. So IP address for my machine, and this is the port value. So what I'm going to do is cd nc dash lvnp 4444. Now I'm going to listen to it. Since I once I okay okay, you didn't get the message because the problem with this exploit is this one is kind of temporary. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to uh, add this one, add this one again. I'm going to get the reversal again. So where was it? Yeah, upload it. Hmm, install module shell shell.php question mark control V. Now this should be working. So oh, I didn't run it properly. Oh yeah. Now you got the reverse shell. So what I basically did was now you can actually come back to one directory. Now this should be easy. Cd ls. So yeah, let's go to home. Home is here, right? Yeah, home is here. ls. Here Jobber didn't contain anything, so I went for John. John CU's SACK. So you got the user txt, but once you do this, actually there was a permission denied. So what I did was I just basically did was cd dot dot dot. Now Sue John CU SACK. Now it will be asking the password of this. So here you have the password. So basically I can simply paste it. Oh, okay, it's taking time. Something got stuck, I don't know why. Okay. Okay, what's the song? Never mind. Hmm. For some reason, I'm getting very nice here. I just don't know where it is coming. So, okay, I'm already in my account. So, okay, I'm getting some kind of noise here. I don't know why. Hmm. Okay, now mind. Just please ignore the noise. Let me go to this page. I think this will be giving some kind of error again. Going to dashboard or content something. Okay, let me go to this for some reason something's happening. Yeah, unable to connect. Hmm. Admin modules installed, right? Okay, let me log in again. So Tiffany, I should have saved this Gmail somewhere. I didn't do it. Siri, uh, Tiffany at Dog.htb. Okay. Um, Password is here. I'm just gonna log in. Okay. Here, module shell, not module. Okay, admin modules insert. Modules insert. So manual installation, upload, browse, share data, gz, install. This one is still listening, right? Yeah. Now I'm going to do is shell.php. Yeah, this one is actually kind of saved. So yeah, cd dot dot, cd dot dot, cd dot dot, cd home, Sujon, Cusack. It should be taking some time. I shouldn't have quit last time. So yeah. I don't know what is going on in my system. Oh, okay. I did get the connection. I was an idiot. So what I'm going to do is CD John Cusack. I thought I will be getting some kind of either some kind of you cinema something, right? Actually, I got it the first time, but right now I'm not seeing anything. Okay, now my so ls scat user.txt. So basically, you saw this one, right? So what I'm going to do is cd pwd home cd pwd ls cd root. Okay, root permission is there. So you guys need to do a privilege escalation. So one control C. So before doing control C, you guys need to do something. I have already done this. That is the only reason I didn't do it again. Let me show you. Oh, okay, now mine. Yeah, you 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 guys need to do this command and write the both command. So what I'm going to do is fg work. This is kind of headache. So yeah, cd home cd John Cusack. Yes. Okay. What I'm going to do is copy this command. Yeah, copy this. Yeah. So I'm basically right. Now there's an one-liner code to what it is after a huge fight with the child. I mean Claude. I did get something. So this is the code to do a privilege explanation. So what I did was copy paste. So now you're in the root. Cd root cat cat root.txt. So you got the root.txt, right? This is what actually going on. So what I did was I basically gave all the errors of what type of errors I'm finding in a privilege estimation. So finally it gave me this command and my plan was over. So this should work because root parameter did something. So this command should uh, work for privilege escalation.